wood might be better.
Yeah. Agreed.
You don't like using a little more? That's enough?
You don't put too much. Just put a tiny bit.
If you
so
put a little bit more, then you'd be able to cover that part too. What you can do is do drops.
Secure in
rather than just pour the whole thing out.
What?
The next time what you could do is just dribble, 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 so it gets it over there. Yeah, it'll scratch it. Okay. This is what I've seen people do as well. They'll do like little drop there, drop, 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 drop. And that way it spreads it out. There you go. Okay. Good. Now it looks ready.
Just wait for it to heat a bit more.
Is that what you do?
I'm gonna wait